Hi, I'm Brett and welcome to the product demonstration of the METRO⁵. First, we're going to start off with the Bassinet. Lightweight Bassinet holds up to 9 kilos. To take out the Bassinet, really simple. On both sides you have hand marks. How it's been designed is that there are actually buttons under your fingers. All you need to do is lift up and your Bassinet will come with you. Slide your hands in, simply lift up and your Bassinet will come straight out. The bottom of the Bassinet, nice solid baseboard, plus got the 4 feet on it as well. And of course your Bassinet can go on the ground. To go back into the pram, simply line it up and it will just click straight back into place. Being Australian owned and designed with what we call our Maxi Air canopy, designed for the hot Australian weather. Really nice air mesh panel in the middle and another air mesh panel around your baby's head. Really to maximise the airflow. Another feature about the METRO is that the Bassinet is compatible with a Bassinet stand suitable for overnight sleeping. The Bassinet stand is really nice as it gives you options. If you'd like to have your baby seat next in the bedroom, the living room or the kitchen, it's really lightweight and portable. Also, if you do decide to go travelling, it packs down into 3 pieces. You can take it with you. Generally speaking, your baby will stay inside the Bassinet for approximately 3 to 6 months before moving onto the seat. The METRO seat can either be parent facing or forward facing and has 3 recline positions in both directions. It's so nice to be able to bond with your child and face them and have the seat parent facing. To take the seat out, simply push in the 2 black levers, lift up and turn the seat around. The METRO seat is a nice tall seat holding up to 20 kilos with sliders that simply allow you to amend the shoulder positions. Bumper bar rotates on and off from both sides, and in the middle we have a 5-point safety harness. Simply press the center buckle and all 4 straps will come out, and to go back in, simply push in and they'll click into place. Bumper bar rotates and clicks back into place, and at the bottom you do have a footrest, 1 position, 2 positions, press the 2 black buttons, push down. If you do have a taller child, you get that extra leg room. Being Australian owned and designed, we have what we call our Maxi Air canopy, designed to keep your baby cool. At the back, a really nice air mesh panel. And then in the middle, we have our extension canopy that comes all the way forward, something we've really been known for at Redsbaby. The METRO has 3 different recline positions. Simply lift up the latch for upright, middle, and then all the way flat, and lift up again to come all the way up. It has a super sized 10 kilo basket with really easy access. We have a telescopic handle up the top, 105 centimeters with 4 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4. To fold the METRO is really simple. There's a black latch on both the left and right hand side. Simply slide the latches up and go down to your feet. Left latch, right latch, slide up and straight down. Easiest way to pick up the METRO, stand behind it, 2 hands, and just over 10 kilos, you do have a light pram in your hands. To come back up, simply release the latch, lift up, and your pram is up once again. I'll show you that fold one more time. Left latch, right latch, slide up, straight down to the ground, automatic frame lock, release the lock, lift up, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me today while I've taken you through the METRO⁵. Here at Redsbaby, we have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day trials, free easy returns, and local customer support.